Good morning, students. In continuation of the brain, here we are going to discuss about the hindbrain. Okay, hindbrain is also called as the rhombencephalon. Okay, so this hindbrain has three main centers or parts. One is the cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. Here we are going to discuss about the cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain, and it is made up of the five lobes. Two are the lateral lobes, and one is the vermis, and two are the floccular lobes. Okay, what is the main functions of the cerebellum? The main functions, it maintains the equilibrium and controls posture. Okay, normally the impulses are received from different voluntary muscles and joints, and then controlling of their movements and their regulation and coordination accordingly. It maintains the body balance, equilibrium, and then posture. The person which take alcohol in excess, normally we can see that in our street areas, we can see that some of the people, those who drank the alcohol, so if they are taking the excess, their cerebellum gets affected. Okay, as a result of that, they cannot maintain their balance and their walking is disturbed. Okay, normally we can see in that normally we can see this some of the places, those who are drunk the alcohol, we can see that. Okay, they are moving and then different way because of their walking is disturbed because of affected by the cerebellum. Okay, so the next one is the pons. Okay, pons is it is a small spherical projection, act as a bridge between the cerebellum and then cerebellum. Okay, it is a main thing, it is the brain stem, it is the part of the brain stem in the floor of hindbrain. Okay, it is also connects the forebrain to the spinal cord. The main functions of the pons is regulation in the respiration, and then it controls the involuntary actions. It plays the sensory roles in the hearing, equilibrium, taste, and then facial sensation. Okay, facial sensation such as the touch and pain, and then as well as the motor in the eye movement, facial expression, chewing, and then it also controls the secretion of saliva and then tears. Okay, these are all the functions of the pons. Okay, then last one is the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata, it forms the third main component of the brain. It is the lowermost part of the brain. Okay, it is the posterior part of the brain is in a conical shape. This part of the brain extends into the spinal cord. What are all the main functions of the medulla oblongata? So it controls all the involuntary activities. It controls all the involuntary activities of the body. Example, heart muscles. Okay, normally heart muscles, the cardiac muscle is there. So normally heartbeats, we can hear the heartbeats sound. These heartbeat sound is it is not controlled by our body. Okay, it is an involuntary action. It is not a voluntary action. It is an involuntary action. It happens. And then respiration, we cannot control it. Okay, it is involuntary happen. This in respiration, heartbeats, and then metabolism, peristaltic movement. What do you mean by the peristalsis? Okay, the movement of the food particles inside the esophagus, that is called as the peristalsis. Okay, these are all the involuntary activities that is controlled by the medulla oblongata, and then it is also contains the vital reflex centers. It is also contains the vital reflex centers, and then examples of it has the cardiac center, and then it is concerned with the reflexes such as the sneezing, salivation, coughing, swallowing, vomiting, yawning. Everything is controlled by the medulla oblongata. Okay, sometimes the yawning that and then vomiting, swallowing, everything is the involuntary actions. It is controlled by the medulla oblongata. Okay, so here already we discussed about the different types of the brain and then structures and then functions. Okay, if you have any doubts, please contact me. Okay, thank you.